Hello students, in the previous class we discussed about how to frame a polynomial equation. In today's class we shall discuss similar kind of problems. Our first problem goes like this. You have to frame a polynomial equation whose one of the root is 1 minus root I given for the polynomial with rational coefficients the roots are conjugate surds or conjugate complex numbers. That is, whenever they mention rational coefficients, if one root is given, we can find other three roots. Let us see. Alpha is equal to 1 minus root 5, beta will be equal to 1 plus root 5, root I plus root 5, gamma is equal to minus I minus root 5, delta is equal to minus I plus root 5. Now, consider alpha plus beta, that is I minus root 5 plus I plus root 5, plus root 5 minus root 5 cancel, you have 2I, alpha beta I minus root 5 into I plus root 5, which is I square minus root 5 whole square, which is minus 1 minus 5, which is minus 6. Therefore, x square minus x into alpha plus alpha beta is equal to 0 is x square minus x into alpha plus beta is plus alpha beta you take till here. X square minus x into alpha plus beta is 2i, alpha beta is minus 6. Call this as 1. Next, gamma plus delta is equal to minus I minus root 5 plus minus I plus root 5, plus root 5 minus root 5 cancel, you have minus 2i. Gamma delta is equal to minus I square minus root 5 whole square, which is minus 1 minus 5, which is minus 6. So x square minus x into gamma plus gamma delta is equal to, take this as 2, consider this as 1, consider this as 2, x square minus x into gamma plus delta minus 2i plus of minus 6. Call this as 2, x square plus 2xi minus 6. Call this as 2. Consider 1 into 2 is equal to 0. The required polynomial equation is, we have to multiply 1 with 2, right? So you get x square minus 2xi minus 6 into x square plus 2xi minus 6 is equal to 0. This can be written as x square minus 6 minus 2xi, x square minus 6 plus 2xi is equal to 0. Now, this is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, which is a square minus b square, x square minus a square minus b square is equal to 0. So, this can be written in the form of x power 4 minus 12x square plus 36 minus, this is 2 square 4, 4x square, I square is minus 1, so you have plus 4x square is equal to 0. Therefore x power 4 minus 8x square plus 36 is equal to 0 is the required polynomial equation. This is the required polynomial equation. Copy down this problem. We shall discuss the next problem. Don't confuse gamma with delta. Gamma appears like this, delta like this. Let us discuss the next problem. I shall give you a problem for homework. Try it out. Find the polynomial equation whose one of the root is I minus root 3 plus I root 2. So here, since it has rational coefficients, the other root shall be minus root 3 minus I root 2, root 3 minus I root 2, root 3 plus I root 2. Take these as the roots and frame a polynomial equation. Now we shall discuss the next set of problems. Solve the equation x power 4 plus 2x cube minus 5x square plus 6x plus 2 is equal to 0 given 1 plus I is one of its roots. This is a new method. Just look at the board. Now, what is the given equation here? Given equation is x power 4 plus 2x cube minus 5x square plus 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. If 1 plus I is root, then 1 minus I is other root. Call this as 1. Let alpha is equal to 1 plus I, beta is equal to 1 minus I, alpha plus beta is equal to 1 plus I plus 1 minus I, which is 2. Alpha beta is equal to 1 square minus I square, which is 1, minus of minus 1, which is 1 plus 1, that is 2. Therefore, x square minus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. You shall take the equation x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Consider Don't take 0 now. X square minus x into alpha plus alpha beta. X square minus x into what is alpha plus beta? 2. Alpha beta is also 2. That is x square minus 2x plus 2 is a factor of 1. Now, what you shall do is you shall go for synthetic division. The procedure is like this. Take the coefficients 1, 2, minus 5, 6, 2. 1, 2, minus 5, 6, 2. You have minus 2 here, you have to take plus 2. You have plus 2 here, you have to take minus 2. Then keep 3 zeros here and 1 0 here. Now you shall do the division. 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1. 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 into 4, 8. Right, minus 2 into 1, minus 2. 8 minus 5, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Right. 2 into 1, 2. Minus 2 into 4, minus 8. 2 into minus 2 into 1 will give you minus 2. So this will be 0 and 0. This is x square, x constant. So consider x square plus 4x plus 1. X square plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. So here what will be x? X is equal to minus 4 plus or minus under root of 4 square minus 4 into a into c by 2 into 1. That is x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus under root of 16 minus 4 by 2. X is equal to minus 4 plus or minus under root of 12 by 2. X is equal to minus 4. Here if you take 4 common, you get 2 root 3 by 2. So x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root 3. So therefore 1 plus I, 1 minus I, minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 3 are the roots of given equation. We shall discuss the next problem.